Tight up the top of the neck there. Both sides. Nice job, Amber. Hey everyone, it's Dr. Cassie Stringer here today. I'm gonna get Amber adjusted today, our front desk. She stands all day, she works out on the weekends. She's had a history of trauma to the neck, so we're gonna do an activator on her neck today. The rest is gonna be full body spine, and let's get this going. Let's go ahead and go face down, Amber. Her hips are always out of whack. She's an ex-cheerleader, ex-tumbler. Actually looking pretty good today. Sore? Yeah. Check. Pulling to the right quite a bit. A little tenderness there too. Upper back's always locked up, working at the computer all day. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Take a deep breath in. Look up with your head. Just relax. Good. Take right here on the left side. Pivot this right side up. And be extra gentle today. Take a deep breath in. Relax. Nice and easy. The other side. Got some movement already. Just go face down for me again, Amber. This is the activator tool we're going to use on her neck. Tight up the top of the neck there. Both sides. Nice job, Amber. You're all set, ready to go check in patients and get patients feeling good.